how to manage who can send you a message and chat with you on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to roblox.com. This is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on settings, and now after you click on settings, all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go right here to privacy, and now scroll down, you will find who can message me. And now all what you have to do is simple, click here and choose everyone or any option you want from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.